Welcome to the future of dental restorations. The use of 3D printing technology has become a popular alternative in the dental industry, paving way for polychromatic, monolithic workflow, meaning dentures can be printed where both the teeth and gingiva are manufactured simultaneously as one structure. Unlike traditional dentures, digital dentures require less appointments for adjustment issues, while offering high aesthetics and optimal translucency by using a Class II high-fidelity FDA-cleared polymethyl methacrylate resin, or PMMA, a resistant acrylic material. Once a patient's impression file has been nested into the software, the structural build takes place. The J5 DentaJet from Stratasys operates on a rotating platform that descends as the structure incrementally grows in height. It is able to print multiple materials with a piezoelectric print head. Throughout the full rotation, doses of UV light cures the resin at each passing point, ensuring that every layer is structurally composed until the denture is completely rendered. Once the printing is finished, the denture is removed and the excess support structure is removed with pressurized water. Following this step is the curing process, which acts as a final bonding of the materials. Once cured, the denture is soaked in isopropanol alcohol and sent to final processing, where it is polished and cleaned once more before being sent to the patient. Visit vitalitydentalarts.com to learn more.